As a part of the Farm to ECE component, Cooking with Children, La Petite Academy Hedingham graciously allowed me to come into their center to do a Valentine cooking activity with the pre-K children. So for our cooking activity, we decided we were going to make heart kabobs. During the activity, the children sat down in their circle time, and I introduced 4 different types of fruits that they would use to make their shish kebabs or their heart kebabs. The first fruit were big strawberries. They were already topped for the children just to make things a little easier. The next fruit they saw were blueberries, and then we proceeded to the raspberries, and the last fruit were blackberries. And out of all the fruits, the blackberries were the ones that the children did not recognize, and we had fun talking about. Once we finished talking about the fruits and introducing those to the children were asked to go wash their hands and to find a chair and to put gloves on so that we could prep and get ready to make our heart kebabs. While making their kebabs, the children were given free rein as to the different fruits they added to their skewers. When each child did that, we asked the children to tell us about their pattern and tell us why that they chose to put those fruit flavors together. At the end of this activity, teachers can sit down and again graph with the children the different types of skewers that were made. You can utilize colors on your graphing chart and also the numbers so that the children can see who liked strawberries most, who liked raspberries, who decided that they liked strawberries and blueberries together. That would also be a good graphing activity that you can do with your children for this activity. Again, as a teacher, sometimes we have to get ahead of what's going to happen in our classrooms, and by inviting parents to donate healthy items such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries instead of cupcakes and cookies, we are trying to help the children understand that eating healthy can also be fun.